created in 1884, long time ago. And we have really been able to create and to keep a fantastic network of suppliers in Africa. This is giving to us a very good expertise, because if the gun is not well collected and well treated after the collection, they will lose the functionality. It's a key part of our business to keep the best relationship with our network of suppliers in Africa. The gum acacia is produced in what we call the gum belt. The gum belt is just the south of the Sahara Desert, from the Senegal until Eritrea. So it includes Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Ethiopia and Eritrea. The biggest countries producing are Sudan and Chad, but nowadays we can see that Mali and Senegal are increasing their production, and Senegal again has one of the best quality we can find in Africa.
The harvest of gum acacia or acacia gum is 100% natural and is supposed to be done between December and May, depending on climate conditions. So first an incision is done on a tree. On the acacia tree, this is called the tapping, and then this incision will force the acacia tree to produce an exudate to cover the incision, which will produce what we call the nodule of gum acacia. So the sun and the warm climate and the wind will dry up the nodule, and in contact with this air, the nodule will get harder. Several days or weeks after the tapping, the same farmers will come to cut the nodules with a blade from the acacia trees. Then the nodules are sorted, dried and stored by these farmers, and then sent away to Dakar to our partners. It's 100% natural, it's only hand-picked and no chemicals are used.
Alland Robert carries out an annual audit of all the suppliers in Africa. We check the condition of our raw material suppliers' facilities, we make an inventory of these facilities, and we monitor the implementation of any action required as a result of these audits. In order to achieve a successful and positive integration, we make sure that our partners will comply with our charter and with the safety, ethical, environmental and societal standards.
Natural gum is a great resource to the farmers, as the harvest brings in a significant part in their yearly income. The harvest of acacia is off-season, whereas the other happen in fall. Many studies have shown that acacia trees have a very positive impact on the environment. The tree acts as a barrier to desertification, nourish the soil and make it more fertile. They foster intercropping and stabilize rainfall cycles. Acacia provide fodder for cattle, give home to birds, and are positive for biodiversity. Here in Senegal, Alland Robert buys the whole production in order to support the supply chain. Moreover, Alland Robert has designed the industrial process and set up the facilities.
We intend to continue our work with the African communities in order to protect the gum acacia industry and gum acacia trees. This is extremely important to millions of African people that work in this industry, especially in the Sahel area.